certainly guarantee you is that the weather's not going to be anything like Siberia. Actually, the interesting thing about this job is that no 2 days are ever the same. But having said that, we are going to have some very similar weather in the next few days. In fact, today looks very similar to yesterday, which in turn looks very similar to tomorrow. So let's have a look at what's going on. And at the moment, very little is going on. We have high pressure to the west of us, low pressure to the east of us. In between, we have this squeeze of northwesterly winds. And those north to northwesterly winds are going to be with us for some considerable time, well into the middle of the week. They do get lighter all the while, which is good news. And then later on, there's a hint that perhaps we might get something milder coming in from the southwest. Lots of showers across us at the moment. There is a little bit of a gap in northeast England, southeast Scotland, but loads of showers, some particularly heavy ones over Northern Ireland, another crop of heavy ones heading down towards the south of England. So I think most places will get at least one shower this afternoon, and some of those showers could turn out to be heavy with hail and thunder, a little bit of sleet and wet snow mixed in. More particularly, I think, over the hills, Snowdonia, through the Pennines, up to Scotland. You could end up with a few centimetres of snow before the day's out, but one or two spots could well get away with it. And in between the showers, not too bad. But the problem is, of course, those temperatures are up and down like a yo-yo. The winds are pretty gusty too around the showers. So if you're in a shower, it'll feel quite cold. But out of the showers and in the sunshine, 9 or 10, I suppose, isn't too bad. And the showers will quite readily fade away once the sun starts to go down, late afternoon through the evening. And then for the rest of the night, the showers more or less restricted, I think, to north-facing coast, which means to say inland it will turn out to be quite chilly. And even this evening, if you're off to the match, Leeds United against Manchester City, by the time it kicks off, it will be a chilly 5 degrees, but fine and dry at the same time. And by the end of the night, we may well find a touch of frost in 1 or 2 sheltered spots, but most places having the temperature just above freezing, because there still will be a little bit of a breeze. And then tomorrow, virtually the same as today. Many parts of the country start off dry, clear blue skies, but the clouds soon bubbling up, showers breaking out, and again, some could be heavy with hail and thunder. They'll be wintry, especially over the hills. Heavier showers, I think, more likely in the central and eastern part of England. Temperatures also very similar to today's, and still that quite stiff, gusty northwesterly breeze. By Wednesday, the showers getting lighter in northern and western areas, but still some fairly heavy ones in southeastern parts of the country. And then by Thursday, a weather system coming down from the north, bringing some showery rain and somewhat milder weather back.